Kariboy College kala khaliap no yak jing rokhe college week ke basita yaw linter daki program ke bai pen ipu ipeng henin kesngi hagani kesngi lapen kot ya balawan yang sementara da UMLA kanong po ba Meral Bonds im ku mukang san ba ajing kran hagani kesngi ba Meral Bonds im ulai ro yak jing teli pedeng ginong tre jong ke college ibor penyat bat kisamla pule dak ba ong ba ke jing teli kalong ke bakong san nak bentar ke jing kiu jong kane ke jaka pule kidon kat tu kat ni ke program bakan thop ya ke jing lekai sport ha ke balapan long dak kisamla pule ha ke ni ke tayo.
We are here, as I have said in my opening remark, representing different religion, different background, but we are one. As a society, as a family. Because here we are the faculty member, the student, and other members who are present here. We are living in a society where we have to be very, very cautious and careful from now on.
Mentapat ngin pek jinglong jingman kesundang hasilong